Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by putting both devices on the same network so discovery works reliably. Once done, enable AirPlay on the Vizio from Extras, then open Control Center on your Mac and pick Screen Mirroring. This initiates the handshake. It's faster than HDMI for most casual uses. Make sure AirPlay shows the TV name and that Mac OS prompts you to enter the code if the TV displays one, which verifies the secure connection. After the connection starts, choose whether to mirror your screen or extend your desktop. Mirroring duplicates content, extending gives you extra workspace. You should then tweak resolution to match the TV's native size for sharp text and correct aspect ratio. Go to Displays and pick a scaled option if needed. Also make sure audio output switches to the Vizio under Sound Settings. If apps still use Mac speakers, change the output per app or in the app's audio. To finish, verify full-screen apps and video playback scale properly and that audio-video sync is stable during streaming. If AirPlay isn't an option, connect your MacBook with a USB-C to HDMI adapter and choose the TV's HDMI input. This provides a direct, low-latency connection. If things go wrong, first restart both the Mac and the TV. Then check for Mac OS or Vizio firmware updates. This single step resolves most discovery and compatibility problems by restoring services and applying fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.